Welcome to the official channel of Anping Shengzi wire mesh. In this video, we take you on an exclusive tour inside our factory to uncover the complete manufacturing process of the versatile crimped wire mesh. Crimped wire mesh is characterized by its pre-crimped wires, interlocked before weaving, creating an extremely stable and rigid screen. This product can be divided into stainless steel, galvanized, aluminum wire and other types according to the material, which are suitable for industrial filtration, mechanical protection, mine screening and other scenarios. Stainless steel crimped wire mesh is mostly used for corrosion resistance in the food and chemical industries. The first step in producing crimped wire mesh is to roll the wire, which is to press the raw wire into the shape you want using a mold. The second step is threading the wire. The last step is weaving the mesh. Ready to find the perfect wire mesh solution for your business? As a leading manufacturer of both crimped wire mesh and the machines that make it, Anping Shengzi Wire Mesh is your ideal partner. Visit our website or contact us directly for a quote. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more.